In this video, we'll show you how to connect your MDVR.8ch to get your cameras working. This is the MDVR.8ch. First, take the power tail cable and connect it right here. Once that's secure, connect your monitor or screen to the out port. Next, you'll see for tail cables. Find the first one and connect it to your primary camera. You can then connect the remaining cameras in sequence. When wiring, remember that the red and yellow wires are positive and the black wire is negative. Now turn on the 24 volts power supply. As you can see, the image from the connected camera appears on the screen. Channel 2 is currently empty, but you can easily switch between channels to check your feeds. Now let's configure the settings. Open the menu here and enter your target platform address. Right below that, input the vehicle's license plate number for reporting. Next, go back to the menu and select the second option. The first setting here controls the main recording stream, where you can adjust the resolution to either 720p or 108op depending on your needs. Below that, you'll find the audio and video toggles. Note that audio recording can only be enabled for the first 4 channels. You can also adjust the recording substream settings here. To adjust individual camera parameters like switching between 960H and 720p head into the camera settings menu. Once you're done, make sure to save your changes. After saving, enter this menu option to select your video standard, allowing you to switch between NTSC and PAL depending on your camera type. Finally, log into your platform and search for the device number you just configured, in this case, 80005. Click on it to view the live feed, and there is channel 1 working perfectly.